Are you tired of juggling multiple social media accounts and forgetting those pesky passwords? Today, we'll show you how to link your Facebook and Instagram accounts so you can log into Facebook using your Instagram login, simplifying your life with just a few taps. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and navigate to your profile page, then tap the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu, in the top right corner of your screen to open the settings menu. Scroll down until you find Account Center and tap on it. Account Center is where you manage connected experiences across meta technologies like Facebook and Instagram. Now, tap on Accounts. This section allows you to add or remove accounts from your connected experiences. Next, tap on Add Accounts. A prompt will appear, allowing you to add your Facebook account. Tap Add Facebook Account, then confirm your Facebook account by tapping Continue as your Facebook name. Once the accounts are successfully linked, you'll see a confirmation screen. Tap Finished Adding. Now, go to the Facebook login screen either on your app or browser. You should now see an option to continue with Instagram, featuring the Instagram logo. Tap that button, and just like that, you're logged into Facebook using your Instagram credentials. That's all there is to it. Streamlining your social media login process can save you time and frustration. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful social media tips and tricks.